Hey guys, it's your girl Nay back with another video. So, of course guys, look at the hair, right? So, today's video is a bit different. It's not a flat twist, but it's still a protective style. So, stay tuned.
I got plenty of ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy.
My key item is always water. So I want to just push that. And remember, freshly washed hair and detangled. Alright guys? And we don't want it to be drenched, we just need it to be just damp. So I'm using Extreme Wet Line Gel today. Like I said guys, freshly washed hair. So Extreme Wet Line Gel. Extreme. And I don't want a lot of gel on the back because I would have to focus a lot up top. So I'm using just not much. Not as much as I want to for the front. So this is all I'm using. And I'm just gonna pat that down. And then with our brush, alright, so we just want to secure that a bit. And then now we can start on the front. So I'm starting with this side first. Trying to get the picture of how I want it to look at it, so don't mind me. Alright, so that's how I want it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this around the back, but so let's go now. So spray, 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 just to get it damp. And remember, well detangled here. Always remember, hair must be detangled. We're gonna just use our wide tooth comb and just go through, and that went through easily. And then we're gonna first set the hair and then apply the gel. So we're setting the hair to go this way and then hold it into place. Hold it, apply gel. And once you apply gel, you can go ahead now and brush that in. Alright guys, so that's all. So I'm gonna touch up my edges and then come back. So guys, I went ahead and do my edges as I said earlier. These are the edges. They're definitely edging, right? So laid, slayed, and they're rocking. So this is the finished look. Until next time guys, keep your curly hair curly. Bye-bye.